We are on the last leg of our Benelux trip, and that is Amsterdam, Netherlands. First, we are buying tram tickets that cost €3.20 each. Josh always reads the fine print, which is helpful when traveling in different countries. You want to make sure you have the proper ticket and know what other stipulations there are. We are headed to our hostel first before we start exploring and begin our day. Anyways, the tram is here, so let us enjoy the ride and see the view of Amsterdam. This is where we are staying for the entire duration here. Here we are. Is this the first time we've stayed in a pod together? It's tight, but we can make it work. This is our pod for the 2 days in Amsterdam. We chose to stay at a hostel for the first time because we are visiting on a peak season and most accommodations are extremely expensive for our budget. This pod costs us €220 for 2 nights, which is not bad for the time of the year that we are here and the location. The rooms are clean, staff are nice, and common areas are tidy. That includes the shower room. So we would gladly use this place again. We started our day looking for food, and just 2 minutes walk from the hostel is the food hall. It is worth checking. There were tons of people enjoying their meals, so that's a good sign. Where are we?
We are in the Netherlands.
We're just sitting over here.
Sitting on a bench, looking at people on bicycles.
Basically people watching. It is dinner time and we are happy because we are starving. As we were walking around the neighborhood, we found this Thai restaurant. Josh is definitely missing the coconut drink he had in Asia, so he went for it. And I was basic, so I got Coke. We got spring rolls, pad thai, and some salad. It doesn't look like it, but I swear it was a salad. It was good. We enjoyed our food in the first night in Amsterdam. Is already delivering. You look like a weirdo. Some pigeons being in love. Oh, what are they doing? They're actually hammering each other. Where are you, boo? This is how extra he is. You're so short.
You see, Grace, when you walk in, all I can see is your forehead. But your forehead goes like this far.
Wow. Bedtime. Okay, I'll do it again. Bedtime. Alright, everyone. We're gonna see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good morning, my love.
How was it?
It was good. It was clean. I'm gonna go back and put my makeup, and there's a makeup area with a hairdryer. We are walking around Amsterdam right now, and it's actually pretty freaking cool and relaxing. We are totally enjoying it. I must say, this is one of my favorite places to visit. So let's go ahead and see some more.
Yes, let's go to the right.
As we excitedly walk around the city and continue to admire the beauty of the city, we stumbled upon this adorable cat by the window, and she's living her best life. Check her Instagram out. She wants the clout. She deserves it because she's cute. We are currently in Vondelpark. When I googled must-see things or things to do here, it's one of the results that came up, and it's literally near our hotel. A lot of people do love biking here because it's one of the main transportations to them. That's a really good idea, you know, help the environment.
America, give it a program. this is cool.
How many people can say they've eaten in the park in Amsterdam with some sausage from Spar?
17 minutes walk from the Vondelpark is Rijksmuseum. It is Netherlands' top treasure house. It is a national museum of the Netherlands dedicated to Dutch arts and history. We didn't go in because I am not a museum person, but if that is your cup of tea, the ticket is $22.50 and you can get it from their website. When you think of Amsterdam, you think of loads of bikes and picturesque canal bridges. Growing up, I've always wanted to see in person. While in Amsterdam, there are 165 canals and 1,700 bridges, so there are no scarcity of me taking photos with canal bridges in the background. It was fun to see most of it, but I cannot see all of it.
Amsterdam walk tour continues. Very pretty. I don't think quaint is a good description. It's just really eclectic and fun. So many things to see.
Our walk continues. To be honest, we don't have a concrete plan when we are traveling. Sure, we try to check the most famous landmarks, but the rest are spontaneously decided, so it makes it fun. We roam around and follow where our eyes and feet wants to go. We are not tied to schedules and itinerary. So 13 minutes walk from the museum, we ended in this corner shop to get some refreshments. We remember how nice the waitress was in the shop, so I'm glad we found this place and the drinks were good. Nice way to take a break before continuing to walk.
What are you doing?
You guys are probably wondering, why are you not riding bikes? Actually, that is my fault again. Josh is a cyclist. He has been trying to teach me, but I still don't know how to do it, so yeah.
Wow, we've gone really off course.
We walk for an hour or more.
Yeah, it's already 5 o'clock. Me bubble tea shop.
Let's find it because I want some.
So we went way off track, but it is nice because we found all these markets and we found Chinatown as well. That's a good sign. That means one thing, and that means bubble tea. We did find a place and my Asian self is happy because I love them bubble tea.
Bubble tea time.
Oh god.
Hold it. What you think? How is it? Barely a reaction. Probably not.
Several hours later, we ended up walking all the way to Amsterdam Central Station, but this time we had a plan of what we want to do around this area, and that is to do a boat canal tour. It cost us 10 euros a piece and it was well worth it. We were glad that we decided to do it. We were on a fence because we thought we saw most of the tourist spots already. However, you don't realize that being on a boat and seeing these architectures from a lower point is so much better. I highly recommend doing it, or you can rent your own boat if you know how to maneuver it. Now enjoy some clips of us from the boat tour.
To the left is the Belgian line. Amsterdam is housing shortage, forcing people to live on boats.
Hey everyone, we are back at our hotel. Literally after I started. We got back probably 30 minutes ago or an hour ago. I'm not exactly sure. We were resting because we are going to grab some dinner and some drinks tonight. We decided to go to a Mexican place because we have been craving for some tacos or nachos or burritos. So that's what we are going to do.
We just finished our dinner.
And we have decided that maybe ducks are not in the future. We're just gonna move here.
Oh no, we're not gonna have farm anymore.
We're gonna have a duck on top of our roof.
But anyways, Amsterdam is really nice. Like, we're out, we had some drinks and some nachos. And we just like how the neighborhood, they have a lot of bars and restaurants where people and friends can hang out and meet up. For example, like this one.
Cheers.
I really want to get some drinks
No.
and get drunk.
No.
Because Amsterdam is so free.
No. Oh, it's close too.
Oh no. Good morning, everybody. Today is the last day in Amsterdam. We're gonna fly back home at 6:55 p.m. We're gonna try to be there at 3 because our airline told us that they're having security issues at the airport, so we gotta be there as early as we can to make sure that we get home on time and there's no problems or issues or delays because we want to go home. We can't believe this trip just flew by like really quick. It's almost a week worth of trip, but it just flew by. But I think we're ready. Would you agree, Boo? He shook his butt, so that's an agreement to what I said. Anyways, I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'm just gonna be on t-shirt today and shorts, and I don't freaking care because we're going home anyway. So see you in a bit. Okay, so this is our current situation. I'm eating a candy. That's why I look like I have something in my mouth. Because I do.
So at this point, we were just packing. We're trying to get out of the hostel so we can enjoy the surroundings for a couple of hours before our flight. And we want to be very Dutch. Like chill. We think they're very chill and they sit and relax. They're not always on the go. Correct us if we are wrong, but that's just our observation and we like that. That actually suits us. If only we know how to speak Dutch and we can find a job in Amsterdam, we will be willingly moving to this city. However, we are enjoying it as best as we could. After the coffee, we head for some Korean brunch, lunch, dinner type of thing because our flight is gonna be at 6 p.m. and it was delicious. I'm so happy. I love Korean food. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog. And we love Amsterdam.
Some Jeju tea latte. Ooh, that's good. Yours says coconut milk. Yours is good.
Better.
So are we moving to Amsterdam?
Can't afford Amsterdam.
Rent is so
We'll
high.
afford a little one-bedroom house about 100 miles from here.
And we're just gonna visit every weekend.
By bike.
Yeah. Look what I'm being harassed. He's not even drunk. What is happening?
Animal abuse. Oh,
I'm an animal. He said animal. Animal. He said